everybody, let's go ahead and get started with our skills lesson today, okay? We are on skills 3 today. We are on lesson 3. So we're going to start by reviewing our tricky words and looking at a new tricky word we're going to learn today, okay? So follow along with me. I'm going to say the tricky word first, and then you say it after me, okay? 1, 2, 3, the, a, blue, yellow, look, I, are, little, and the one we're going to learn today is down, down. Very good. So, since we've reviewed and we've gone over our new tricky word, down, the opposite of down is, who can read that for me? Up. Very good. This is not a tricky word. It follows the rules, right? Yes, but the opposite of down is up. So for 3.1, I want you to go through and write the word up in each of these blanks and then read the sentence together, okay? So let's do this first one. There's a tricky word. The big, what is this? Hot air balloon is up. The big hot air balloon is up, okay? See how it starts with that capital letter and ends with a period at the end? That means stop. Good. So I want you to do that for the whole front of the page and the back. On the back, there are several tricky words in here, okay? So make sure you're practicing those. Then, on your next page, you're going to keep going, and the sentence is going to get a little bit longer, okay? A little bit longer for you to read. And on the back, you're going to practice that new tricky word, down. Okay? So let's do this first one together. I can run down the hill. Very good. I can run down the hill. Okay? After you do those 2 pages, there's another one. Okay? So this is up and down. So you have to figure out which one goes where. Now look at the blanks. This one's a little bit shorter than this one. So would you think the shorter word would go in the shorter blank? Yeah. So usually up will go in that shorter one and down will go in that longer blank, and then read the whole sentence together. Okay? So you have the front of that page and the back. Okay? After you do those pages, there's one more. Okay? Now, we've talked about the sh and ch sound, right? Yes, we have. So we're going to look at these pictures and then color in the box of the word that matches the picture, okay? Or the phrase that matches the picture, okay? So let's go through this together. Number 1, this is a picture of a big ship. A big ship. So color in the box of the phrase, this first one or the second one, that says big ship. Okay. Remember, if I go too fast, you can always pause the video and take a little bit more time on your own, okay? Okay. Let's see, number 2. That's pointing to part of his face right there. Is it his chin or his shin? Chin or shin? Okay. Number 3. Okay, look in there. Is it a trash in chest picture or cash in chest? What do you think? Look at it. Okay, now I would love for you to read the rest of these on your own. Now, some of these look a little hard. You can do it. Sound out each letter and then blend it all together, just like we've been doing in class, okay? So you've got the front and the back of this page. And if you have a little trouble, you can always ask an adult that's near you because this is new to us with the CH and the SH sounds, okay? And sometimes it gets a little tricky. Okay? So remember, just do your best, and that's all I ever ask for, right? Wonderful. Well, I hope y'all have a great, great day. Bye bye.